Today I'm going to be reviewing this invisible belt. It fits sizes 0 to 16 in American sizes. It has adjustable straps and it comes in 6 different colors. As you can see, the colors it came with were dark brown, black, white, gray, khaki, and navy blue. So these fit basically almost every pants color. So let's just try them on. So I put on this belt that I usually wear, and as you can see, it bulks up in the front, kind of makes a cube square shape, and it just looks weird even from the side. So I'm gonna put on the khaki invisible belt. As you can see, this adjustable strap right here, so you can even like let your family borrow it because it fits any sizes. And the belt also has this flat metal buckle. Unlike other belts, they don't bulk up because of this. And it's stretchy. So I'm gonna adjust it to make it a bit looser. And now I'm just gonna pop it on. Since it's stretchy, it's really a one size fits all type thing. So as you can see, it doesn't buck up at all. It's a super secure fit too. Like, you might think, oh, because it's a thin buckle, it won't keep it secure. I feel pretty secure right now. And these pants are usually tight for me. But look how flat it lays. So as you can see, it looks super smooth, even without my shirt covering it. So I really like these belts. Like, I'm gonna be using these all throughout school because my mom always complains about me not wearing belts and my pants always falling down. So it was only because they would bulk up and make me look weird. Like, with this belt, you can't even tell they're there, and that was the main reason why I wasn't wearing belts. I'm just glad I got these.